Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord auto disconnect issues. Start by closing the Discord, then click on this show hidden item option. Right click on Discord, click on quit Discord. After doing that, simply go to Windows search and search for Discord and right click on it, click on open file location. After that, simply right click on Discord, then click on properties. Then go to compatibility and simply check this box of run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK. Now simply open up the Discord and see if this fixes your problem or not. The next solution to try is go to Windows search and type cmd and right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes option. After it is open, just simply type ipconfig space //dns. After typing it, just hit enter, and after successfully receiving this message, simply close it and open the Discord again and see the problem is fixed or not. If you are still getting auto disconnect issues, then go to Windows search again and type power options, click on edit power plan. Click on power options you will see on the top and make sure that performance mode is selected. If it is on balance or silent, just simply select the performance mode, then close it, then open the Discord again and see if the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then open the Discord again. Now click on user settings options. Now on the left hand column, just scroll down and simply look for system, click on it. And you need to make sure that your enable hardware acceleration is disabled. If it is enabled, just simply disable it to fix the problem. After disabling it, it will ask you to restart your Discord. Click on that, then see if this fixes your problem or not. Hopefully after this solution your problem will be fixed, and if you are still getting the auto disconnect issues, then comment down below in this video and I will try my best to assist you. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.